Netflix has become a household name when it comes to entertainment. With millions of subscribers worldwide, it's no wonder that people spend countless hours binge-watching their favorite shows and movies. But did you know that you can also make money while enjoying your favorite Netflix content? Here are 4 ways to make money while watching Netflix. Number 1. Join a paid survey site. If you're someone who loves watching Netflix and has an opinion on just about everything, then joining a paid survey site might be the perfect way for you to earn a bit of extra cash. Not only can you watch your favorite shows and movies on Netflix, but you can also provide valuable feedback to companies looking to improve their products and services. Paid survey sites are online platforms that connect companies with individuals who are willing to share their opinions about various products and services. Companies use this feedback to improve their offerings and better understand their customers' needs. In return, they pay survey takers for their time and insights. One of the great things about paid survey sites is that they often offer surveys that are tailored to your interests. This means that as an avid Netflix watcher, you can expect to receive surveys about the latest shows and movies you've watched. You might be asked to rate the plot, acting, or overall entertainment value of a particular series. Or you might be asked to provide feedback on Netflix's user interface and how easy it is to navigate. The amount of money you can earn from paid survey sites varies depending on the site and the specific survey. Some surveys pay a few cents, while others pay several dollars. On average, most surveys pay around $1 to $3. While this may not seem like a lot of money, it can quickly add up over time, especially if you're watching Netflix regularly and completing surveys on a consistent basis. So how do you get started with paid survey sites? First, do your research to find legitimate survey sites that pay well and have positive reviews from users. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research, but there are many others out there to choose from. Once you've found a survey site that you like, sign up and create a profile. Be sure to fill out your profile completely, as this will help you receive surveys that are tailored to your interests. Then, start taking surveys. Most surveys take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to complete, and you can do them from the comfort of your own home. Joining a paid survey site can help you earn some extra cash while watching your favorite Netflix content. Besides giving your honest opinions to companies, you can also enjoy watching your beloved TV shows and movies. If you're someone who loves to binge watch Netflix and share your thoughts on just about anything, why not sign up for a paid survey site today? It's a fun and easy way to earn some extra money. Number 2. Become a Netflix tagger. Have you ever been browsing through Netflix, struggling to find something to watch, only to give up in frustration? Well, if you become a Netflix tagger, you can make the process of finding your next favorite show or movie much easier. As a Netflix tagger, your job is to watch movies and TV shows and assign keywords to them. These keywords are used to categorize the content on the platform, making it easier for viewers to find what they're looking for. For example, if you're watching a horror movie, you might assign keywords like creepy, suspenseful, and gory. This might sound like a dream job for many people, getting paid to watch Netflix all day. But it's not as easy as it sounds. To become a Netflix tagger, you'll need to have a deep understanding of different genres and be able to work independently. You'll need to watch a lot of content and be able to categorize it accurately and efficiently. Netflix taggers work from home, so this job is perfect for those who want to work remotely. You can work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a reliable internet connection. But it's important to know that Netflix taggers are hired on a contract basis, so this job might not provide a steady income. If you're interested in becoming a Netflix tagger, the first step is to apply for the job on the Netflix job board. The application process is straightforward. You'll need to create a profile and answer some basic questions about your experience and qualifications. If Netflix thinks you're a good fit for the job, they'll contact you for an interview. One of the best things about being a Netflix tagger is that you get to watch all the latest shows and movies before anyone else. You'll be one of the first people to see new content on the platform, and you'll be able to share your opinions with your friends and family. Plus, you'll be paid for your services, which is always a bonus. However, it's worth noting that being a Netflix tagger is not a full-time job. You might need to supplement your income with other work or find additional freelance work to make ends meet. But if you're looking for a fun and flexible way to make some extra money while watching Netflix, becoming a Netflix tagger could be the perfect job for you. Being a Netflix tagger is a pretty cool and fun way to earn some money while indulging in your favorite movies and shows. It's not a walk in the park, but if you know a lot about different types of genres and are really into entertainment, it could be your dream gig. If that sounds like your thing, you should definitely check out the Netflix job board and start the process of becoming a Netflix tagger. Number 3. Participate in online competitions. Are you someone who spends hours on end watching Netflix, wishing you could make some money from your passion? Well, it's time to put your binge-watching skills to good use and earn some extra cash through online competitions. Participating in online competitions can be a fun and easy way to make some money while enjoying your favorite Netflix shows and movies. These competitions can range from predicting the next big show to participating in trivia contests. Some of these contests even offer cash prizes or gift cards that you can use to pay for your Netflix subscription. One popular website that offers these competitions is CashScrape. This website allows you to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and participating in contests. CashScrape has a dedicated section for Netflix lovers, where you can participate in various competitions and earn cash rewards. Some of the contests offered on CashScrape include predicting the next big show, reviewing new releases, and participating in trivia quizzes. Another website that offers online competitions for Netflix lovers is Netflix Roulette. This website allows you to spin a virtual wheel and get recommendations for shows and movies to watch on Netflix. Netflix Roulette also offers weekly competitions where you can participate in various challenges and win cash prizes. Prizerable is another website that offers various online competitions for Netflix lovers. This website offers surveys, games, and competitions that allow you to earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can use these gift cards to pay for your Netflix subscription, making it a great way to earn some extra money while enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Online competitions can be a great way to earn some extra cash while enjoying your favorite shows and movies on Netflix. It's important to note, however, that not all competitions are created equal. Before participating in any online competition, make sure to read the rules and regulations carefully. Some competitions may require you to share personal information or make a purchase to participate. Always exercise caution and only participate in legitimate and safe competitions. You can have a good time and make some extra money while watching Netflix by joining online competitions. You can pick from things like guessing what the next big show is going to be or playing trivia games. There are loads of chances to make money while you enjoy your favorite entertainment. So why not give it a shot and turn your binge watching into some cash? Number 4. Stream Netflix on Twitch. Streaming Netflix on Twitch is a relatively new and exciting way to make money while doing something that you love. Twitch, which is owned by Amazon, is a platform that allows users to stream content live to a global audience. Initially, Twitch was primarily used for live streaming video games. However, over the years, the platform has evolved to include a variety of content, including TV shows and movies. If you're a die-hard Netflix fan, streaming your favorite shows on Twitch can be an excellent way to monetize your passion. By streaming your favorite content on Twitch, you can attract a large audience and potentially earn a significant amount of money through donations and subscriptions. To start streaming Netflix on Twitch, you'll need to have a Twitch account and a streaming software like OBS. OBS is an open-source software that is widely used by Twitch streamers to broadcast their content. It's easy to use and can be downloaded for free from the OBS website. Once you have your Twitch account and OBS set up, you'll need to make sure that you're not violating any copyright laws. It's important to note that streaming Netflix on Twitch without permission is illegal and can result in a ban from Twitch and even legal action from Netflix. To avoid any legal issues, you can reach out to Netflix and request permission to stream their content on Twitch. Netflix has a content licensing program that allows users to license and stream their content legally on platforms like Twitch. But the process of getting permission can take time. and not all of Netflix's content can be licensed. If you're unable to obtain permission to stream Netflix content, there are still other ways to monetize your Twitch channel. You can use affiliate marketing to promote products related to Netflix, such as streaming devices or merchandise. You can also create your own content related to Netflix, such as reviews or reaction videos, and monetize your channel through ad revenue. To keep your viewers hooked while streaming Netflix on Twitch, it's crucial to make your content interesting and fun. You can chat with your audience by answering their questions and comments live, and even have some polls and games that relate to the shows you're watching. Streaming your favorite Netflix shows on Twitch can be a fun way to earn some extra cash. Just make sure you're not breaking any copyright laws, and then get creative with your content to keep your audience engaged. If you enjoy Netflix and are looking for a way to earn extra cash, give Twitch streaming a try. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the different ways to make money while watching Netflix. As we've seen, participating in paid survey sites, becoming a Netflix tagger, joining online competitions, and streaming on Twitch are just a few ways to earn extra cash while enjoying your favorite shows and movies. While these methods may not make you rich, they can certainly help you earn a little extra money in your free time. So whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or turn your love of Netflix into a side hustle, there are plenty of options to choose from. So why not give it a try? Who knows, you might just earn some money while enjoying your favorite show. Thanks for watching.